And have you ever wondered why bulls charge when they see the color red? It's a question that has puzzled many of us, and it's rooted in a long-standing myth. This belief likely sprouted from the tradition of bullfighting, where matadors use a red cape, known as a muleta, to entice the bull into a charge. The sight of a matador flourishing a red muleta in front of a snorting bull is iconic, and it's easy to attribute the bull's aggressive response to the color of the cape itself. But is that really the case? You see, the color red has been pegged as the bull's enemy, the spark that ignites its fury. But what if this is all just a misunderstanding? A story passed down through generations, accepted without question. An intriguing thought, isn't it? What if we told you that bulls don't actually get angry at the color red? Bulls, like many other animals, are actually colorblind to red. This may seem surprising, considering the fiery red capes waved by matadors in bullfighting rings. But the truth is, bulls don't see the world as we do. They're dichromats, which means they have two types of color receptors or cones in their eyes, compared to the three that humans have. This dichromatic vision restricts their color perception, making them unable to distinguish red from green or brown. So what's the deal with the charging at the matador's muleta, the red cape? It's not the color that gets the bull all riled up, it's the motion. Bulls, like many other animals, have a keen sense of motion detection. This natural instinct helps them spot predators or threats in the wild. In a bullfighting arena, the matador's swift and dramatic movements with the muleta are interpreted by the bull as a threat, triggering its instinct to charge. Another interesting aspect is the bull's association of the cape with the matador. Over time, bulls learn to associate the cape's movement with the presence of the matador, hence responding aggressively whenever the cape is in motion. So, the next time you see a bull charging at a red cape in a bullfight, remember, it's not the red color that bulls react to, but the motion of the cape. If it's not the color, then what really triggers a bull to charge? We've all seen matadors in their dramatic performances, waving red capes in front of bulls. But it's not the color that riles up the beast. No, it's the movements of the matador that draws the bull's attention. You see, bulls don't get angry at the color red. They are, in fact, colorblind to red. What they do respond to is motion. The matador's taunting, the flashy waving of the muleta, these are what provoke the bull. The animal perceives these actions as threats. And what does a bull do when it senses a threat? It charges. This isn't out of aggression or anger, but a natural defensive mechanism. The bull charges to protect itself. In the grand spectacle of a bullfight, it's the dance between matador and bull, the movements, the challenges thrown and met, that stoke the fire. It turns out it's the matador's actions, not the color of his cape, that really get the bull going. So, the myth that bulls get angry at the color red? Busted. We've journeyed through the facts, debunking this popular misconception. We've delved into the science behind bull behavior, understanding that these creatures are colorblind to red. Instead, it's the motion and perceived threats that trigger them, not the vibrant hue of a matador's cape. So next time you see a bull charging at a matador's red cape, remember, it's not the color, it's the motion that's got the bull all fired up.